Good morning guys, it's me Binongkiri and you are watching on my YouTube channel, that is Binongkiri Explorer Vlog. So guys, hope you are having an amazing day. And you know guys, in today's video it's gonna be very interesting because I will be showing you everything from starting till the end. And guys, this is how I spend my day during my free time. And you know guys, today I have invited one of my best friends, that is Jagat Butter from Satgang, and we're going to cook in my kitchen and we're going to prepare some small dish. So we will spend a little time together. So guys, watch and see. Guys, on my back side, it is my small kitchen garden, and we have harvest long beans. Hai ke hantarbo thelo nonni hala so hantarbo sibai po athemi pitte gyodi theta ong pigyo langtha klik tang polo deh lang tha dono tum la hello jono hen tum klik hantar bolo atheta mi pika lata ni kapangreng abukak lo de donatum aja taklen nang jike di okapar hi pachung bai lo de la bang thum hado mama ki going la surprise lo rotation bai thom mang bong non par hi kom lo masih kematang ke pai deh ini deh berat tulang lama. Pulang bong tu bang si, kelang lah deh pini bang ya. Halake ni mehai lo, api pen lang dun joy nang deh kupihan segitun ma arjudu nang deh. Kalau tu nih,
broiler pen, box gitu.
Cumi mana deh?
Cumi bori po, broiler pen box. Lalu bang ya andang kontlok lo. Kardom, ini Sarah hem yo. Asap so birthday, Sarah birthday, personal birthday, masih invitation do. Ama non bang ke pamo kitun broiler open bok lapen cucumber da do. Lasinon itum cuhek lo, ancu po pulo amat. Ma TV ta lang kon bom, TV ta lang kon bom lo. Some year hem arlo non son weather meo yo itum ke hongle henu sita arlo ke bindas o.
Donatum nili arjiting kloi lo video ko upload long le la si pinia son upor ke mi pachet ton si nili labang so video bonai lo la so video langnodak sita mi nang litum kelang ning chepangsampo pusi ning chethedamlo. Pune me hai ke han anang hek pi bom lo jo. Ito manalo hem anjudet pen kapang o masilapu long drive sibang rong lo lapu ke ni me hai lo ya ching hon nai ni me hai lo rake masih dampom lo yun ito. It's a very big thank you to all guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe. And it's a request to all the viewers that if you like my video, please do not forget to write on the comment section given below so that I can bring you more videos and updates. So from now, stay safe, be happy, take care, and love you all. Bye bye.